Second.
All those in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Okay, moving to Township Engineer. Do we have a motion to appoint Larry Young, Tri-State Engineers and Land Surveyors?
So moved.
Do we have a second?
I'll second.
Discussion.
Okay.
I'd like to understand why we're replacing Gilmore. Gilmore's been with this township for I don't know how many years, and past 2.5 years that I've been here, we've had Gilmore. So why the sudden change to Tri-State?
Does the board have comment? All right, I'll take that. Me being on the board as long as I've been on the board, have worked with Larry Young from the beginning. There's essentially 3 major projects that the township has been facing the past 7-8 years, and that is, one, the riparian fund, which Larry was in the beginning, the Stupeville project, which is still ongoing today, and then obviously the Melsky White. So in my opinion, Larry was best suited for that. Secondly, the engineer that we had from Gilmore that was working for our board here, in my opinion, was a very nice person, but I didn't believe had the public awareness that he should have being on this board. This is a split board. This is a board that is very intelligent and very much interested in the well-being of the township, and is very emotional at times. And we need strong consultants that are going to be sitting up here. And in my opinion, our past engineer was a very nice person, but I believe to be Larry to be a much stronger person. That's my personal opinion.
Well, I don't even see where you could even draw conclusions from that. We have, like I said, this engineer has been with us for 2.5 years, and if you felt the way you felt regarding that said engineer, why would we appoint him twice before, and only when we've had some different problems in the community, and this board is split, and this board would not authorize me to work with the engineer. I could not get a third vote, and so this was, basically early December. This engineer from Gilmore decided to work for free, in which I would not need a third vote from this split board up here. We went to DEP. We spent about 5 hours discussing this residence issue with the heads of DEP, and we came up with a great solution to remedy their problem. They've had an issue for going on 12 years and 9 years of being in the riparian project. And once this board learned that I had gone to DEP with this engineer, they basically talked amongst themselves. This was done in an email conversation between everybody, and he was fired Friday before Christmas. And I think that's one of the reasons you have a rift on this board, is what happens behind the scenes. As you see, obviously these positions were already decided, tonight, as fast as we went through them. And anybody that I work with gets terminated. And the progress we were making, we have to start all over again with this new firm, and they're only hurting the residents by getting rid of Gilmore. Gilmore has the same attributes as Tri-State Engineering, and if this one engineer is not strong on a particular area, he can always call back to the office to get the information that he needs. But we've been dealing with the Stupeville project for years. We've been dealing with, the high-density toll development for years, and it's only when this engineer starts to work with me to resolve this problem does he get replaced. So that's where I find it to be pretty interesting.
Is there any other board comment? All those in favor? Aye. And opposed?
3-2.
I would